Hey folks, and welcome back to Rattlesnake Acres. So it's been a little while since I made a video, but rest assured I've been getting plenty done. Just haven't really had time or felt like fooling with a camera. But so about 3 months ago, I got a new job, and folks, let me tell you, if you're miserable at your job, find something else, because I'm so much happier now. I love what I do. I truly don't mind getting up in the morning and going to work now. But anyway, to all my drivers that watch my channel that I used to deal with at work, I miss you guys. And to the guys I work with, I keep in touch with most of you. I miss you guys too. But anyway, so you'll notice in the title that big changes and big moves. Well, big change was new job, but if you go to this time right here, that'll skip to the sawmill portion. But so we finally moved the sawmill, guys. It's sitting here on Rattlesnake Acres now, and today Elena and I are going to saw out the sills that I stacked the logs on. I'm making new, I guess we'll call them log bunks. But so we got a big beautiful oak log for that, and Elena and I are gonna saw it out, and might get those set in this video too. But let's go check the mill out. All right, guys, there she is, all set up. I've got to set these rollers, and I got to attach the other end of the rollers to this. And see, I've already tried it out. I couldn't resist. But I'll put a little clip in here of the first cut I ever made. Shelby took a video, but I've got some 1x6 poplar boards. I'm gonna build some new nesting boxes with those, and a couple 6x6s. Those are gonna be the posts for the log bunks. Well, that long one there will probably be for the building that's gonna go over the sawmill. But I still have not put the sawdust chain on. I'm kind of trying to fill this pit with a little bit of sawdust before I do that. So after we saw this oak today, that'll probably be ready to go. The lead and everything set on the sawmill. I used railroad ties to set the mill on. Big shout out to my boss for helping me level this pad up for the mill. And then, of course, y'all know Jonathan was here helping me. He helped me with the pit here one evening, and we got it all squared away. And of course, my right hand, Elena, she was out here and helped me get the track all bolted together and run the cable for the carriage and everything. But thank y'all again for all the help, and y'all don't know how much I appreciate you. All right, guys, we got the 606 hood up. Yeah, we got the 606 hooked up. Don't mind the hood being missing. I had to fix the radiator. We got Elena down there. We got this beautiful oak log on here, so see if we can get solved. right, folks, well, we had to make a couple tweaks while we were sawing. No big deal. We got both our stringers sawed out for our log bunks, skids, whatever you want to call them. So I'll get them put up, but next week, guys, I've got a big video planned. Well, it's big for me. I've got a couple new toys in the shop that I acquired from some family of mine, and it's gonna be worth a watch. Good time, I think. But anyway, I'll see y'all next week on that one. If you don't mind, like and subscribe. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Just come back and see us here on Rattlesnake Acres. Thank you.